Hello, sir. Thank you for watching my presentation, and I hope you enjoyed it. For the best comment of my classmates, most of them said that I did well, but I know in myself that there are lots of mistakes that I did, and I appreciate their appreciation on my work. And for the worst comments, most of them said that I am not that prepared, and I admit it because I didn't memorize my speech well. So my English is not that good, and I take it positively so I can do better next time. And for your comments, you said that my slide is not was not prepared enough because it's not finished. Actually, I have prepared it very well, but I don't know what happened. That the last slide did not work, and so it did not appear. Sorry, sir, for that, but thank you for that comment. And for my comment for myself, um, I know that I did my best. So, but I think I have to work hard to make a better speech next time. And thank you for listening.